Today we're going to be meeting with Jeff Siddle, the owner of Pyro Junkie here in Tampa. This is an SBA loan I did back in 2019, and Jeff has done a tremendous job growing the business. And so we're going to talk to him about how he's grown the business, how he got into the firework business, and a little bit about work-life balance as well. You're watching Sterling SBA. Make sure to like and subscribe. Mr. Siddle.
What's up, Sterling? How you doing, brother?
How's it going?
All right, man.
It's been a while.